Good afternoon. First of all, I'm looking forward to the two-day summit and in particular the discussions today in relation to international issues. There's a strong international dimension to this EU Council summit. Obviously, the relationship between Russia and the European Union will be discussed, the relationship with Turkey, migration issues are particularly important. We will be taking stock in terms of COVID-19, both the economic recovery aspects of COVID-19 and also the vaccination programme and how we deal with variants of concern that emerge. Tonight we will be discussing also the issue of LGBTI rights in Hungary in particular and the decision of the Hungarian authorities in respect of that issue. We feel the Hungarian authorities are transgressing a fundamental value of the European Union in terms of the measures it is adopting in relation to young people and to the LGBTI community within Hungary. So we will be articulating very strongly our view on that this evening because we believe it is of fundamental importance and the European Union needs to assert its position in relation to that and to support the LGBTI community and the principles of inclusivity and diversity. Thank you very much indeed.